We are making a pepito, and pepito is the name for the steak and avocado, refried bean and melty cheese torta. Everybody in Mexico knows it, everybody loves it, and now you're gonna love it too. I'm gonna make the marinade, and I'm gonna add in this bowl soy sauce, garlic, Dijon mustard, dried rosemary that I'm gonna crush a little more, and salt, pepper, olive oil. I've been preheating my grill pan over high heat. Now I'm gonna pour the marinade on the flank steak. I'm gonna grill the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. The next thing I'm gonna do is prepare my bread. Let's slice it in half. I'm gonna remove a little bit of what we in Mexico call el migajón. So it will be really, really crusty and crunchy. And I'm spreading some refried beans. Then I'm adding melty cheese. I have the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm gonna put the bread in there. It's gonna take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Nice! Now we're gonna make guacamole. I'm going to use 2 scallions. I'm gonna add cilantro. I'm gonna add grano. I'm gonna add some salt, the juice of a lime. Okay, I'm gonna mash, mash, mash. If you have a molcajete, it makes the fragrance and oils and flavors of the ingredients come out. You want it to be pasty, like this, so that when you eat the guacamole, you're not eating the guacamole with just chunks of things. Perfect. My meat should be ready. I'm gonna put the meat here. We're gonna let the meat sit and settle as I continue making the guacamole. I'm gonna get ripe avocado. I'm gonna make it easier to mash the guacamole by cutting the avocado a little in its shell. My cheese should be melted now. Bread is hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna continue mashing. I like my guacamole a little bit chunky. Look at that color, it's perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna slice the meat. I wanna slice it already in big bite-sized pieces so that the torta is easier to bite into. Meat. I have to say, I make this torta all the time, but now it's looking even more pretty, so I'm making it for you. Okay, now, guacamole. Super important for a pepito, pickled jalapeños, and these are rajas, or strips. And I like the rajas just like this. I can add a whole can. Yum! Pepito. I don't know what to say, you just have to make it. It's that good.